Happy Friday, everybody. So, today I'm not going to break my fast until dinner tonight. We're going out to a steak restaurant to celebrate my boys, my 8th grader moving up to 9th grade, and my senior boy graduating high school. And so, I'm gonna drink this Pique tea. This is my first time tasting it. I did put like 2 teaspoons of monk fruit sweetener in it. Monk fruit does not break my fast. So I will come back and let you know how I like it. But basically, this is an easy tea. You don't have to steep it. You just pour it in, stir it up, and it's ready. 8 ounces of water. And it's ready. So hopefully, because I am a little hungry right now. I mean, hunger comes in waves for me. But I didn't put any like fats in this, like MCT oil or anything. I want to just wait until I eat dinner to you know, take in any calories or whatever. So monk fruit sweetener, 0 calories. It has like 4 grams of sugar alcohol, and of course this is 0 calories. And ooh, the mint in this smells really good. So let me taste this now so I can tell y'all. So it's not a bad tea. It's pretty good. I just wish I could put some more sweetener in it. Y'all know I like tea with my sugar. I don't know, for whatever reason. Maybe I'm gonna try the fatty tea, because I was able to do the fatty coffee and only put like maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons of the monk fruit sweetener, and it's pretty good. But tea sometimes can be a little bit different with sweetening it, and so I'm still working on my sugar. So this is probably going to take a couple of drinks for me to kind of get used to not having much sweetener, but I'll drink it down. It's not a big deal, but the mint in it is really nice. Really nice and smooth. Really hits your palate. You can smell it. You can taste it. So it's a really good tea. A really good tea. I like it. So until dinner time, y'all stay safe, stay good, and I'll be back. I'm sorry. I was supposed to show y'all my meal before I ate it. So after I drank my tea, it don't stop hunger, in my opinion. Not like the fatty keto coffee do. So I just went and made me a small little meal to break my fast. Which was, I made some ground beef yesterday with tomato sauce, because I had made some nachos. So I had a half a cup of that, like a cup of microgreens, an ounce of cucumbers cut up, some goat cheese, a tablespoon of goat cheese, and my avocado ranch salad dressing, about a tablespoon of that, and mixed it up. So this is gonna take me through until dinner tonight, about 6-7 o'clock. So let's get it.